Welcome to Nature's Healing, where we explore the wonders of medicinal plants. Today, we're delving into the world of Mullein, a towering herb with a legacy as rich as its towering blooms. Mullein, a beacon of health, stands tall among the green tapestry of nature's pharmacy. With its soft, velvety leaves and vibrant yellow flowers, this herbal ally commands attention not just for its striking appearance, but for its potent respiratory benefits. For centuries, Mullein has been an herbal remedy for respiratory conditions. Its leaves and flowers are said to harbor expectorant properties that can help expel mucus and ease coughs. Its gentle anti-inflammatory effects soothe the irritated mucous membranes, providing a breath of relief. In a world where tobacco's smoky tendrils have tightened their grip on the lungs of many, Mullein offers a breath of fresh air. As a non-addictive tobacco alternative, Mullein allows individuals to break free from nicotine's hold, offering a purer, more natural inhale and exhale. Sipping on a warm cup of Mullein tea is like drinking in the essence of a serene meadow. This herbal infusion works its magic by loosening congestion and opening up the lungs, making each breath deeper and cleaner. Yet, Mullein's versatility stretches far beyond the breath. From its use in digestive remedies to its application in soothing skin conditions, this plant proves that nature often holds the key to our healing. As we journey through the natural world, let us remember the power of plants like Mullein. These silent sentinels stand ready to offer their healing properties to those who seek a more holistic approach to health. Thank you for joining us on this herbal voyage. Like and subscribe for more insights into the healing powers of nature. And remember to breathe deeply, naturally, and healthily. Until next time.